Hello budget people and welcome to my channel. My name is She's on a Budget and today we are back for another video. Today guys, we are going to be making a meal in the life of a budgeter. I've been sharing these meals over on TikTok for quite some time now. Most of you will know I am vegetarian, so they are going to be low cost, mainly because meat is so expensive, but they are delicious. You will be salivating through the camera, I promise. Yeah, make sure you stay to the end. Today we're gonna be making eggplant Parmigiano. Probably saying it wrong. It's gonna be delicious, so let's get into cooking. Okay guys, so here are our ingredients. We've got onions, garlic, we've got some seasoning as well, some passata, some mozzarella, and some Parmesan. We've also got some aubergines. I'm not sure if we're going to need all 4 of them, and more seasoning and some olive oil. This is not Marks and Spencer's lemon water, whatever it was before. It is olive oil. Ellie gave it to me from Cyprus. So yeah, we've got our ingredients here. I already washed my aubergines, so I'm just going to cut them up guys. I'm going to use quite a big knife. I'm going to take the head off and I'm gonna cut them into relatively thick slices, so like this. Not too thick, but just thick enough because they will shrink a little bit when they cook. Over here I have ingredients ready for the batter for the aubergine. So I've got 3 eggs, I've got some plain flour, and I've got some breadcrumbs. I'm just going to season the breadcrumbs though, because that is going to be the outer layer and I want it to have some flavour. So to my breadcrumbs, I should have probably got a bigger bowl. We're going to start off with oregano. So I've got some oregano here and I'm just going to put that inside as well. Probably about a tablespoon guys. I'm going to put a tiny bit of parsley as well. These are the ingredients that I already had at home. The only thing that I had to actually buy for this recipe was the cheeses and the aubergines. I didn't have any here, so it really was low cost for me. I'm going to put some garlic granules in next. Again, about a tablespoon, but I like garlic, so if you don't like garlic, maybe hold back. I'm going to put some aromat in as well, so I like aromat. I'm just going to put a little bit because this does have salt inside of it. So maybe a teaspoon, and then I'm going to put some paprika as well, smoked paprika. Maybe about a teaspoon of the smoked paprika, and then we're going to finish it off with some ground black pepper. I'm going to add a tiny bit of salt guys, but I know that aromat has salt as its first ingredient, so I'm going to add only a tiny bit. Literally that. And now I'm going to mix it all together and you should end up with something like that. So I've heated up a couple tablespoons of oil, regular oil, and I have some plates with some paper towels on top of them ready to catch the aubergines that I fry. So I'm going to start doing like a little assembly guys of battering the aubergines, frying, and then putting them here. So here is how much I actually fried. Some of them were a bit overdone, but when I do the sauce, it will look fine. Now I'm gonna make my sauce. I'm gonna make it from scratch guys. So I'm gonna chop up 2 onions and I'm going to mince some garlic to go inside. I've also got some passata here as well. So I'm gonna put the passata inside as the base, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I've cut up 1 onion and I've also minced 3 garlics, but I like garlic, so it depends on how garlicky you want your tomato sauce. It is my pot. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And once that heats up, I'll add my vegetables. And they can simmer for a few minutes. When they go clear, I'll add the garlic. Okay, in goes the garlic. In goes my passata. Give that a bit of a stir, guys. I'm going to add some parsley. I'm going to add some Old Bay seasoning as well, guys. Not a lot. I'm going to add some more aromat. Some pepper. Salt. And a little bit of the smoked paprika as well. I like that taste. I'm going to put it on to simmer for a few more minutes. Once it's ready, we can start assembling. My sauce is ready. I've got my eggplants ready as well. I've also grated some mozzarella and a little bit of parmesan, but I'm thinking I'm going to just directly grate it into the dish. So I'm going to start assembling now, guys, and I'll show you how I do it. Preheat my oven to about 180, and mine is a fan assisted oven, so I'm going to put that on while I assemble. I'm going to take a ladle full of sauce and I'm going to just spread it around the bottom of the dish. Maybe I need to, depends on how big your dish is that you're going to be assembling your food on. And then you're going to take your eggplants or your aubergines, however you want to call it. So I'm going to take some more sauce. I'm going to drizzle it on top. Going to add my mozzarella. And I'm going to add another load. And pour the remaining sauce on. I've done my layers. I've got tomato sauce, then aubergine, cheese, tomato sauce, aubergine, topped with the mozzarella, like this. This is going to go in the oven now for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until my cheeses have melted, and then I'll bring it out and show you what we've got. While that's in the oven, I'm just going to wash some salad stuff so I can make a side salad to go with it. I'm just going to put some cucumber. I've got a spring onion as well. I like these ones, they're really nice and sweet. I think it's a spring red onion, but they're really nice and sweet, these ones. And I've got these gorgeous tomatoes, guys, as well. So yeah, I've got this all from Aldi. I'll take it off the stalk. Just gonna cut the cucumber long ways. And I like my cucumber quite small, quite diced. So I'm gonna do it that way. You should get your cucumber bits about that small. I'm just going to add all of it into a bowl. Next we have our spring onion. I always take the first bit off, I don't know why. It always seems to look a bit dodgy, the first bit of the spring onion. But I'm going to cut it finely. Apparently you can plant this and it will grow again, guys. Let me know if that's true. Add that to the bowl. Next we've got our tomatoes. Just going to slice these. They remind me of chilies, don't they? Like red chilies, but they're actually tomatoes. I'm now going to add some of the beetroot and lettuce leaves to it. I'm not going to take all of it. I'm going to season with some salt and some olive oil. I think Ellie's gonna have to get me some more, guys. And the juice from 1 lemon. Now I'm just gonna mix my salad. So this is how it should look. It looks delicious. I'm gonna plate up right away. I'm gonna take 2 pieces, guys. Is that greedy? I'm gonna add my salad. I'm telling you, you have to go and try this. You have to go straight to the shop after this to try this dish. It is so delicious. Okay guys, so that is all for now. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you haven't done so already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you are kept up to date with all of my future videos. I'm off to eat the rest of this. Try it.